This 2018 Jayco Greyhawk Prestige 30XP is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 7, oven, leveling jacks, water heater, awning, slide-out, TV, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features full wall slide, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2018 Jayco Greyhawk Prestige 30XP is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.